All right, so what's going on, family? You guys can see the title. Pepe falls 26% in 4 days. I guess it's time for us to close shop and move on to the next meme coin. Is it time for holders to leave the market? You get these type of articles periodically throughout the months, weeks, years, as cryptocurrency prices continue to gyrate up and down, pause. You get that. These articles will forever be created because it instills in people's minds, maybe I need to do something now. Maybe this is a buying opportunity, or maybe I need to take the profit. Large spikes on the 26th and 27th of March were followed by a wave of selling pressure. Look at me. Look at him just looking sad and pitiful. Prices going down. People thought that the market will forever go up in meme coins, especially in Pepe, because look at that move right there. Massive move to the upside in a very short time period, and now the price is coming back down. That's why people are looking like this. Yeah, you got a lot of people hyping up these meme coins, telling you to go out and buy it and just continue to buy it, that this is just the beginning of the market bull run. And then you see the market price going the opposite direction. You feel so scared. You're sad. Now you become a little bit more emotional because the price isn't going the direction that you thought it was. Ouch. Pepe saw its OBV fall below a recent low. On-chain activity faltered alongside the price decline. Look like this article is going to try to tell us all the negative aspects, all the negative sentiment as to why price in Pepe is going down. Pepe, the meme coin, saw losses worth 26.5% in the past 4 days. It came alongside the Bitcoin pullback from 71,000 to 65,000 at press time. More losses could follow based on the technical indicators of Pepe. It's based on technical indicators. Before the price drop, an AMB crypto report noted a huge Pepe movement on the blockchain. Since then, the selling pressure has been persistent. The buyers need to arrest the short-term losses, but at press time, they lack the strength to do so. The bullish structure remained intact for now. All right. How moving this article written yesterday. In the 12-hour time frame, RSI slipped below neutral 50 to signal bearish momentum was taking hold. To complement this, the OBV also fell below a low it formed during the rally in March. This indicated that selling volume had the upper hand at press time, and we are likely to see further losses. It's only a loss if you bought. But if you shorted Pepe, you're not losing if the market is going down, depending on where you got in at. The trading volume has trended downward in recent weeks. Since the recent losses were not accompanied by a surge in volume, it suggested that the current drop was more of a dip than the beginning of a downtrend. Oh, okay. So this may just be a dip. So these faces right here who are sentimental and scared and crying because the market is going down, this article is trying to say it could just be a dip. Hold on just a little while longer, right? That's what they tell you. Buy the dip. But what if it's not? What if that dip transforms into a complete bear market, into a complete crash? I mean, the article already gave us Pepe falling 26% in 4 days. So what if it turns into something worse? This facial expression, you may see tears come out those eyes, because now you're sitting and holding a guap full of Pepe and you can't do nothing with it because it's too far down now. The value, the price. Let's look at the chart. Okay, let me speak on the chart real quick because you guys can see I did a price prediction in Pepe right there on the 26th of March, and I was expecting price to go up. Now, can you see where our targets were at though? Okay, we had one target or a sell zone right here at like 910 points. coming in closer, the market in Pepe on the 31st came in and hit that zone. So I'm not surprised that price in Pepe is going down. We identified the location to where the market could actually get rejected, and it did. After that day, the following April the 1st, we got that indication of weakness trigger. I supposed to go down right there. So now, in order for us to get a bigger answer if this is a dip or price in Pepe could go a lot lower, is if the market buyers hold this zone right here. Okay, the buyers needs to show up. They need to show up. There's nothing else for me to tell you except, buyers, where are you? Because anybody else who bought Pepe above 647 points now is looking for those buyers to be in that zone. Will they show up? Let's see on a different time frame. Maybe, maybe not. Here it is on the 2. How do you think this price chart look? Does it look bullish to you, or does it look bearish? From my perception, my opinion, it looks bearish. Now, my opinion is being based off price bars though. This price bar right here, we should have seen a bigger move to the upside, right? Price should have gone at least off of this 2-day bar. We should have seen at least try to hit 1,000 points. But as you can tell, it didn't happen. That shows weakness. Okay. And then you have these other 2-day bars right here that shows weakness too. Here it is on the 3. Again, still looks pretty weak, which is the reason why the market is touching our buy zone right now. Here it is on the 5. This is where we need to contemplate. So it looked like market may try to break below that buy zone. That 5-day bar right there with that up fake triggered at the top of the bar, it is giving you a heads up. It's telling you, hey, I know you all may be looking for that market to hit back up to 1,000 points in Pepe, but given what you see there on the 5-day, you may want to consider other things. Here it is on the weekly. 2 more days, 13 hours. You do not want to see the market close on the low on that weekly bar like it is now. Because if it was, I would say, yeah, it doesn't look like the market's going to hold that buy zone. Here it is on the 2, 3, 5, then a monthly. 330-minute chart. It's right here. So initially, I wouldn't be surprised to see the buyers try to hold this zone. I think they're going to try to do a bounce, try to move the market up a little bit, and may get hung up back at around 800 points and then begin another resumption to lower prices. So I think what we're going to do is get rid of this prediction. Hopefully he was able to grab 7.88% of the market, because now we're going to play to move it to the downside. Okay, so outside of us seeing buyers holding this buy zone, that would be the only thing that will go against this idea of looking for Pepe to continue to go down. Okay, so my first target is going to be at the low of this buy zone, because it still may hold. I don't know, it may still hold. So if it's still going to hold, at least I want to see at 12% on this move down. That would be my first target there. And outside of that area, click this on the 90 minutes. This will be a buy zone here. And I'm going to do one more right here. So then our second target is going to be around 500 points, either at the high or the low. Third target is going to be all the way around 366, which is around 43, almost 50% drop in value in Pepe. So again, it's going to be real important for these buyers to hold this first zone, because if they don't, it may be a very quick move to the downside here. I'm just giving you all the heads up, just letting you know currently what the price chart is reflecting in Pepe. So give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.